Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should start by signing into Google so results can adapt to your activity. This saves time and context. Next, pick 2 to 4 focused keywords that describe exactly what you need and put exact phrases in quotes to lock order. Use quick modifiers like cite to limit domains, file type, to find PDFs, or a minus sign to remove unwanted terms. Once done, press enter and scan the top 3 results for relevance before refining your query. Once you have initial results, refine using the Tools menu, choose a time window for freshness, and pick verbatim when you need exact wording. You can combine related or define to broaden context and use or between terms to search alternatives in a single query. When your topic needs different formats, switch to images, news, maps, or scholar. Each tab surfaces specific kinds of evidence. Make sure to open 2-3 promising links, compare snippets, and adapt keywords based on what you find. You finish by verifying key facts across 2 to 3 reputable sources. This avoids relying on a single snippet. Save promising pages to bookmarks or Google collections so you can return quickly and export or copy essential excerpts. If results are poor, troubleshoot. Simplify or rephrase your query, add quotes for exact matches, or use cite to limit results to a trusted domain. Finally, make sure to adjust filters and repeat. Small tweaks often produce the precise answer you need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.